Every day, professionals like us work in environments where safety isn't optional. It's essential. This autumn, HES Magazine highlights the innovations, insights, and industry events shaping the future of hazardous engineering. Let's begin with TitanChem, a chemical plant that recently faced its third near-miss in under a year. One incident, during routine pump servicing, nearly became catastrophic when solvent vapor was unexpectedly released. Thankfully, protective gear and ventilation prevented disaster. But TitanChem didn't wait for a worse outcome. They responded with a complete safety overhaul, simplifying SOPs, introducing scenario-based training, and reinforcing a culture where safety is everyone's responsibility. The result? A 40% reduction in near misses in just 6 months. It's a powerful reminder that real safety isn't just policy, it's practice, culture, and continuous learning. Looking ahead, LiftEx 2025 is set for November 18th and 19 at the Exhibition Centre in Liverpool. This flagship event from the Lifting Equipment Engineers Association will bring together over 1,500 industry professionals, 100+ brands, and a wealth of thought leadership sessions. Speakers will cover everything from digital product passports to load release innovations for subsea operations. Whether you're managing tunnel extractions or rethinking rope inspections, this is the event to sharpen your edge and your compliance. Safety also means compliance with regulations like DSEAR, the UK's Dangerous Substances and Explosive Atmospheres regulations. This edition of HES breaks down how to establish a basis of safety, a clear, documented strategy for preventing fires and explosions. From dust explosibility testing to minimum ignition energy assessments. The message is clear: if you handle flammable substances, risk assessment isn't just good practice, it's a legal requirement. On the technology front, FLIR has launched the Si2x-Series, now certified for both ATEX and IESEX environments. This acoustic imaging camera can detect pressurized gas leaks, mechanical faults, and even partial discharges in explosive zones, without interrupting operations. It's fast, precise, and safe to use in hazardous locations where traditional tools simply can't go. Meanwhile, Hart Door Systems continues to lead in high-speed, wind-resistant industrial doors. Their latest model, Speedor Storm, operates automatically, improves energy efficiency, and withstands up to wind class 5, making it ideal for factories and warehouses operating in exposed environments. Built in the UK and backed by 76 years of expertise, these doors prove that safety and performance can coexist. Now, let's talk maintenance. The industry is moving beyond planned periodic maintenance to smarter predictive strategies. Condition-based maintenance, or CBM, is helping avoid downtime by using real-time diagnostics. TPI's 9085X is a standout here. Certified for Zone 0, it measures vibration, bearing wear, and temperature instantly. With built-in trending software, it helps maintenance teams spot failures before they happen, even in hazardous zones across the globe. Finally, as we work toward net zero targets, carbon capture, utilization, and storage, CCUS, is becoming critical. But capturing CO2 is only part of the equation. Detecting leaks and ensuring safe containment is equally vital. MSA Safety's gas detection technologies play a key role here, monitoring pipelines, storage sites, and confined spaces to maintain safe operations in the transition to low-carbon industry. From cultural overhauls to cutting-edge tools, and from global events to everyday operations, this season's insights show one thing clearly. In hazardous environments, safety is evolving, and so are we. Stay sharp, stay safe.